Hey, Brian here, Tampa Scalp. I hope everyone's having an awesome day and night, wherever you're at. So, this video is about if you have a bad SMP job. I don't really like use the word botch too much. I think that's really overused in the business. Sometimes you have a customer that just never got it finished. Sometimes you don't know if the customer told the artist something in particular and the artist did what they said instead of giving them their best advice and not doing it. And it's probably what I'm really seeing the most is inexperienced SP artists making mistakes. The biggest mistake I see is where they're not going all the way down and blending the whole thing together. They're just going like right into kind of the thinning area. They don't blend into the sides. That's also, or say the balding area, then they don't blend into the sides. So I see a lot of that. It's probably the number one thing I see. So the customer I had yesterday, he had it boxed out. And he said he didn't want a sharp edge, but he told the artist he wanted a sharp edge. So I think it was just a little bit of miscommunication. So I don't want to bash the artist about this. But yeah, so if you have a bad SMP job, or you're not happy with the SMP job, because I've seen some really bad ones before, where people are just going too deep, too dark, trying to get results too fast. And I think it's just more miseducation than anything. They don't even know that they're doing a bad job. Or, maybe 10 years ago, like, there wasn't that many good artists out there 10 years ago. So, yeah, so long story short, if you have a bad SMP job, you're not happy with your SMP, we can guide you through what you need to do to make it better. So we have a couple options for you. And we could put those options out there for you. So, do you need laser tattoo removal, or do you need a combination of maybe laser tattoo removal, and then we could go over and we can blend it out as much as possible? Or do you want to, depending on how bad it is, if it's not that bad, we can go and we could blend it out with what we do and make it not as noticeable. And I actually do a lot of this. Go back over it, and we have the dark ink and then the skin that's light. We go in between and we blend it out to make it not look as bad. And I would probably say 90% of customers are happy with that. And then you have the other 10% that is just really, really bad, and there's no other option but for them to get laser tattoo removal, which really is a pain in the ass. But, it is what it is. If there's no other option, you don't have a choice. Yeah, so, my job is to help guide you through there, give you your options, tell you what I think's best, and then let you choose what you want to do. Do you want to try to cover it with the SMP, or do you want to try to get it laser tattoo removal? And maybe you don't need to do a whole bunch of sessions of laser tattoo removal. Maybe you just need to do one to, like the customer yesterday had really dark line across the front. Maybe he just did, I think he just basically did the front. And then hopefully that will be enough to break that up, that I can come in the one reason why, besides it being really dark, his hairline was really low. So the thing with that is we need to, if we have enough room where we can work to blend it out towards the front, that's a good option too. But, I had a little bit of room to blend out, but, I just told him, hey, we can try it, and if you don't like it, you have to get laser tattoo removal, or you can just go for it and get it laser tattoo removal and soften it up, and then we can go from there. So he chose to soften it up with the laser tattoo removal. So the laser tattoo removal, the guy went over the front to soften that hard line, and then actually, so he had from here back to here done around the whole front, and he had nothing on the back done. So that was one reason why it looked really bad. On top of just the whole front really dark. And what it was a inexperienced SMP artist. And like I said, a lot of people don't understand, like, this takes time to get there. You know, a lot of people just rushing for the money. It's not about the money. You need to put in the work to get the experience to be able to do a good job. Don't worry about the money in SB. This isn't a get rich quick. This is something that takes time. It's a lot of effort and a lot of, getting the vision of how to make it work. And also reading people. If you don't know how to read people and someone says go really dark, well, they don't know what they're talking about, so you need to be able to educate them on that too. So So this customer, like I said, run over the front, soften that line up. We'll see how it looks when it's healed. See what we can do with it once it's healed, and then see if I need to advise them to get another session, or can we go from there. But I think it should be good after one session, and we can make it look a lot better. You know, just going over the whole top in general will make it look a lot better. Yeah. So if you have bad SMP, even if you're not in my area, it's okay. I can help advise you what I think is best for you. Even if you're in Australia, send me a message. It's best to go on Instagram, Tampa Scalp Inc. Basically just my thing here, Tampa Scalp Inc. on Instagram. Send me a message there. Send me a picture. I'll be able to help you as much as I can. Like I said, even if you're in, you know, Australia, Turkey, wherever. I mean, there's a lady in Turkey that is ripping people up, doing a really bad job. There's another guy in Thailand. Oh my God. There's a lot of people out there that have no idea what they're doing. They don't even know they're doing a bad job. Yeah, so, and even if you need help picking an artist, you know, like I said, doesn't mean you have to come to me. Send me a message. Send me the artist's info, the artist's page. I'll give you my honest opinion about the artist, and help you out. So like I said, if you have a bad SMP job, send me a picture, and I'll be able to advise you as much as possible. And yeah, I'm here to help you guys. So besides that, I hope everyone has a great day. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, or if you're in Vietnam or Southeast Asia and you want to come see me, I'll be in Vietnam almost every 3 months. I'll be there. So if you want to come see me in Vietnam, I'll be there. Tampa Bay area, I'll be here the majority of the time. I can definitely help you out in person then. So if you're in those areas, let me know, and then you can send me a picture, and then if I want you to come in so I can really see exactly what's going on, if I can't gauge it by the picture, then I will have you come in if you're local. So besides that, I hope everyone has a great day. I'm gonna hit the gym and try to get this workout in and get my day going. So have a great day.